Hey guys, I just got this new travel neck pillow from Amazon and I thought I'd open it up with you and check it out so we can all see how it looks, and I'll give you my first thoughts about this. Okay, this comes in a nice little bag with like a pull string and this little plastic thing so you can adjust that and tighten it if you want. But let's get to the good stuff on the inside. It is nice to have a bag like this. I travel all the time. I'm going to Spain a couple of times a year, and I do a lot of domestic flights as well. And it can be really helpful to have something to put it in so that it's like more compressed, right? So here we go. It's kind of opening up there. Now, it feels really like soft and comfortable. Probably some sort of like memory foam. It looks like there's a zipper here, so I'm guessing you can take the outer part off to wash it, which would be really nice, because goodness knows these things can get dirty going through a lot of airports. Then you're going to have this sort of Velcro pad here, but it's not super rough. It's pretty soft. And then this part here where I'm guessing we pull this off. Let's see. That doesn't stick to that, surely. Pull here. Okay. It's on there really firmly. Okay. So we have this. And then, of course, this can stick to that. And it feels like it sticks really well, which is nice because, you know, when you fall asleep and your head is bobbing on the airplane, can't tell you how many times I've fallen asleep with like my mouth wide open. So you can wrap this really snugly. And it's great because I really like that you have the control over how tight it is around your neck. You know, other neck pillows that just maybe have a little snap, you can't really control that, and then your head doesn't really get that full support. But you can also like do it like this if you wanted to. I do think I like it wrapped fully where the Velcro is like mostly touching there. That's really nice. It feels like it's going to be super supportive, and you can lay like any direction, even forward. You know, you can put your chin under this, and so you kind of get the full 360 all the way around. Excuse the noise. I hope that's not making too much noise in the microphone. But you know, if you wanted it loose as well, you can do that just to kind of provide some support and cushion. I bet. I haven't thought of it, but if you were laying, like, sometimes I like to lay like just on a window or something, but you could fold this up a couple of different ways, or, you know, lay it out. Probably, I think the idea of folding it is probably best, and it kind of acts as a little pillow. So I could see how that could be really comfortable too. Anyway, I think I like it. I've just had such like normal, like traditional neck pillows that I'm excited to kind of elevate my travel a little bit, spoil myself a little bit with this. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you and that you have a great day.